And Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shah, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shah, Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash. Double honor to the apostles, the elders, salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and in sincerity. This lesson will be entitled, Neither Delight in Ungodly Sons. Lord, will you are edified. What you are about to witness is an old post from the deceased KTS Dre, okay?
We ain't shooting from no car, we just trying to get close. Man, I ain't gonna be nowhere but in Iraq, nigga. I'm over east, nigga. Mo Block soldier, nigga. Man, I ain't gonna be nowhere but in Iraq, nigga.
James chapter 4 and verse 14. Whereas ye know not what shall be on the morrow, for what is your life? It is even a vapor that appear for a little time and then vanish away. Verse 15. For that ye ought to say, if the Lord will, we shall live and do this or that. And as you can see, he's dead, shot 64 times. And it was also reported 2 other family members of his were actually struck too. I don't know their status.
I'm over east, nigga. Mo Block soldier, nigga. We ain't shooting from no car, we just trying to get closer, nigga. Talking about, am I in Iraq, nigga? Nigga, I just had court, nigga, in Cook County today, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Another fun alternative use for your toe knife is to make a lemon twist. Simply removing the lemon peel. We made folks a bet. Now that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is right there, nigga. Yo, bitch ass, nigga, you scared as hell, nigga. 600, ho. Where my bet at, bitch? Take the bet, you bitch ass, nigga. Take the bet, you bitch ass, nigga. Bro, you need to leave the city. Unless they gonna get you. What? What? I need to see the barber, nigga. That's what I need. I need to see my barber. Fuck, I got my shit looking fucked up. I don't know nothing about that. All that I'm gonna get you sucker shit. I don't know nothing about that. Sooner or later. Sooner then, nigga. Sooner than later, y'all. I'm tired of this shit. Come take me out this shit, cause I can't take it no more.
You heard what he said. Sooner. He was tired of that shit. He can't take no more. Proverbs 18 and 21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. And he ate the fruit of death. And what was the quote? Come and get him. He was tired of this shit. Okay. Ecclesiasticus 37 and 18. 4 manner of things appear, good and evil, life and death, but the tongue rule over them continually. Let's read that again. 4 manner of things appear, good and evil, life and death, but the tongue rule over them continually.
What? I need to see the barber, nigga. That's what I need. I need to see my barber. Fuck, I got my shit looking fucked up. I don't know nothing about that. All that I'm gonna get you sucker shit. I don't know nothing about that. Sooner or later. Sooner then, nigga. Sooner than later, y'all.
Proverbs 18:21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it shall eat the fruit thereof. Ecclesiasticus 37 and 18. four manner of things appear, good and evil, life and death, but the tongue rule over them continually. Ecclesiasticus 16:1. Desire not a multitude of unprofitable children, neither delight in ungodly sons. An example of an ungodly son, okay? Though they multiply, rejoice not in them, except the fear of the Lord be with them. And that guy did not have the fear of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua, along with his gang members. Verse 3, trust not thou in their life, neither respect their multitude. For one that is just is better than 1,000, hence the elect. And better it is to die without children than to have them that are ungodly. So it's better to not have kids than to have a son that grows up and acts like this. For by one that have understanding shall the city be replenished, but the kindred of the wicked shall speedily become desolate. Case example, this nigga was hit 64 times. Lord will, you're edified. Shalom.